everyone. So, look at the windows outside. It's actually 20 minutes before 8 o'clock in the evening. I don't know if you can see the drops, raindrops, pero maliliit lang siya. However, nag-issue yung Pokikohe ng orange warning for a thunderstorm. Today, actually, umaga pa lang. When we woke up, ganun na yung nakita ko na weather alert. There's a thunderstorm alert, orange warning. Pero, ngayon, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Yan. Maliwanag pa. Pero, parang namang hindi mo na-feel yung ulan. So, ganito sa kanila. Kapag may changes in the weather, may warning ka agad. And like, mga hinihintay pa na bumahana, saka pa mag-issue ng mga warning. Dito, they are always for the safety of everyone. Wala lang. Na-appreciate ko lang how the government cares for their people. Bye, everyone. Good night.